I'm at the park and I just walked several miles this morning, got a nice hike in, and now I'm gonna make breakfast. And I was gonna make a really nice video outside, but now there's people outside like blasting music and I don't need a copyright strike on the music, so I'm just gonna do this inside the car. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So I have my Rockpals portable power bank. I believe this is a 300 watt portable power bank. And what I'm doing is I'm heating up this rice cooker. So I just plugged in the rice cooker. This is a 200 watt rice cooker. I've hooked it into the power bank. So that's gonna get hot. And I have an egg here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna crack the egg into the rice cooker. And then I have this enamelware plate, which I'm actually just going to put on top of the rice cooker. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna give it enough weight that the egg will actually cook inside. And I also have some bread here. And after the egg cooks, I'm gonna take it out of the rice cooker and I'm going to assemble an egg sandwich. And I'm then gonna throw some spinach in here. I'm gonna wilt the spinach a little bit and then I'm gonna add that to the egg sandwich. I also have some hot sauce back there. I have some orange juice in this thermos and I do have some ketchup. But I just realized that I don't have my tripod. So this is gonna be handheld. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna crack the egg in there and then I'm gonna put the plate on top. All right, so there's the egg in the rice cooker. Now if I put it on right now to cook, it's not gonna hold because there's not enough weight on it. So this is where the plate comes in. Put the plate on top. Now if I put it on cook, it actually holds and it will now cook the egg. I just got out 2 slices of bread. It will not be toasted. It's now 5 minutes later and look, the egg has cooked. So I'm gonna take the egg out and put it on the bread and put the spinach in and make my sandwich. Here's the spinach a few minutes later. It's nice and wilted. I could have put it on the sandwich raw, but I do like it better cooked. So the one other thing I want to mention is that every time you take the plate off the top of this, there is water underneath the plate. There's some condensation under it. So, you know, you do want to keep that in mind. It would be good if I had a towel down here in the car, but I didn't do that. So I'm going to assemble the sandwich, try to drain some of the spinach. Here's what it's looking like. Unfortunately, I don't have a knife with me either. I didn't really come as prepared as I should have. I'm gonna put some hot sauce on that. I just used some of this Braswell's Vidalia Onion Jalapeno hot sauce. And I did add some ketchup just for a little bit of color. It would be nice if I had a tomato with me. But yeah, so this is how I can make a fresh egg sandwich in my car at the park. Look how yummy. The yolk is a little more firmly cooked than I like it. I do like a bit of a runnier yolk, but it's a lot neater to eat it this way. And it's really good.